So, something quite new for us, a new brand into Euronics. It's a new exclusive brand, rather like Blomberg. This is Schonhaus. It's an upmarket product. This is a 10 kilo, 1400 spin washing machine, and once registered, it has a 5-year warranty. I think they've tried to pick a lot of the best parts from other manufacturers. This has a very similar honeycomb drum to the Miele. It uses a 3D bubble wash, rather like the Samsungs. It's very, very quiet. I like the way that they've styled it. Once you select a program, all the icons light up down below, and you can choose your temperature, a delay start, a spin speed, as with most machines. But also, it uses a very, very quiet motor. So if I just go down and I select the spin speed for a moment, and then we can put it in on demo mode, this will lock the door and the drum will start, and it's really, really quiet. So nice big load, nice fast spin speed. I think styling's excellent. And as I say, they seem to have looked to see what some of the big manufacturers are using and incorporated those features. So click on the link, you'll be able to see the product and order from our website, but I think it'll come highly recommended. It's going to be good for Wellingtons.